Launching a new product or service is one of the most exciting things you can do, but it takes a lot of time, money, and effort. And if you haven't got things right, it could all be for nothing. So it's really important to make sure that it's the right thing to do first. There are many reasons why a new product or service might not sell. People might not think they need it, the benefits might not be communicated effectively, or the pricing might not match the severity of the problem. To avoid this, before jumping into creating a new product or service, launch a quiz first. This will allow you to validate your idea by getting people to take the quiz. That way, you'll know if the topic or messaging is good. You can also ask specific questions to uncover what your audience is thinking and what they want from you. For example, a fitness trainer might want to launch a 7-day fitness retreat in Thailand and run it every 3 months. However, their potential customer might want to exercise daily for just 30 minutes and not have to travel halfway around the world 4 times a year. This is a prime example of businesses launching a product that they want rather than what their customers want. So, what questions can you ask to determine the best product to create? Watch on and we'll show you. Hi, I'm Josh here from ScoreApp. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 key questions you can ask in your quiz to make sure that your launch has the absolute best chance of success. Let's go. Question 1. Ask your audience, how do you like to learn? Possible answers could include pre-recorded video training or a live online workshop. This will help you determine what kind of product your audience prefers. Secondly, ask what stage your audience is at in their business. This will help you create the perfect package for your audience, because a business that's just got started is going to have very different needs to an established and successful business. Thirdly, ask what's the main problem you're trying to solve. Asking your audience what problem they are trying to solve can help you understand their pain points and tailor your product or service to address their specific needs. This question can also help you with your messaging and copywriting, as you can use their answers to craft compelling sales messages that resonate with their pain points. For example, if you are a coach and you ask this question in your quiz, you may get answers such as, I struggle with time management, or I lack motivation to work on my goals. You can then use these answers to tailor your coaching program to address these specific pain points. Question 4. What is your biggest hurdle right now? Similar to the previous question, this question is designed to help you understand your audience's pain points and obstacles. However, instead of asking about the problem they are trying to solve, you are asking about the biggest hurdle they are facing at the moment. This question can help you identify specific barriers that are preventing your audience from achieving their goals, and you can use this information to create products or services that address these barriers. For example, if you are a fitness coach and you find out that many of your audience members struggle with finding time to exercise, you may create a 30-minute workout program that fits into busy schedules. For question 5, ask, what would you be willing to pay for XYZ? This question is all about pricing. While it's important to create products or services that address your audience needs, you also need to make sure that you can make a profit from them. By asking your audience what they would be willing to pay for your product or service, you can get a sense of what price points would work for your business. This question can also help you avoid the mistake of pricing your product or service too high or too low. If you find that most of your audience members are only willing to pay a small amount for your product, you may need to reevaluate your pricing strategy. Lastly, question 6. Ask a question like, what would be your ideal goal 6 months from now? Asking your audience about their ideal goals can help you understand their aspirations and desires. This question can help you create products or services that align with their goals and provide them with the support they need to achieve them. For example, if you are a business coach and you find out that many of your audience members want to grow their revenue by 50% in the next 6 months, you may create a coaching program that focuses specifically on revenue growth strategies. By asking these questions in your quiz, you can gather valuable insights about your audience that can help you create products or services that are tailored to their needs, desires, and pain points. So, there you have it. Building an effective quiz provides you with the valuable information that you need to absolutely nail your launch. By taking the time to do this before you launch your new service, you'll save yourself time and money in the long run. You'll have a much clearer idea of what your audience wants, helping you avoid costly mistakes and ensure that you're meeting their needs. So, do yourself a favor and start building your quiz. Visit ScoreApp to start a free 14-day trial and see for yourself just how easy and effective it can be. There's a link in the description for you. See you there.